While we're in the engine compartment, we're going to visually inspect the battery. We want to make sure that our terminals are clean. We don't want to see any corrosion around either terminal. We want to make sure they're tight. Just take a 9/16 wrench and just pull down them a little, make sure that they're secure. Do not touch the two terminals with a wrench because it will spark and scare you and burn stuff. We don't want to do that. Make sure they're snug. Make sure it's tight, make sure the battery is secure in the vehicle. Sometimes bouncing around, the battery will come loose from the holder. You just want to make sure that's secure, everything is clean and tight and neat, no visual damage, and that's all you need to do for your battery. Now that we made sure the battery is secure, we're going to have to run the engine to make sure that the engine is charging the battery when it's running. So we're going to take a DC voltmeter and we're going to attach it to our battery. Initially it's going to show us our battery voltage. Right here is 12.43 volts. Now we're going to start the engine and we're going to run the engine. And as we run the engine, the voltage is going to go up if everything is working properly. As you can see, it went up to 14.45 volts, and that is perfect. That's what we want. So now our battery is secure and our engine is charging the battery properly, and this check is done.